Life Sciences, Paper 2. Question number 1. In bacterial protein synthesis, the initiating amino acid is N-formyl methionine. Question number 2. The Lineweaver-Burke plot is used to graphically determine Km and Vmax of enzymes that obey classic Michaelis-Menten kinetics. When V is the reaction velocity at substrate concentration S, the y-axis experimental data in the Lineweaver-Burke plot are expressed as the answer is 1 upon V. Question number 3. The solution of acetic buffer with pH 4 is how many times stronger than the same buffer with pH 6? Hundred times. Question number 4. Peroxisomes are surrounded by single membrane. Question number 5. The operator gene of lac-operon is turned on when lactose molecule binds to repressor gene. Question number 6. The membrane enclosing the main vacuole by the cell is called tonoplast. Question number 7. Which of the following has no DNA? Golgi apparatus. Question number 8. The operon system contains a linear sequence of genes and adjacent DNA sequences. Question number 9. Disulfide bonds which act in the atomic staples to reinforce the conformation of proteins are formed in endoplasmic reticulum. Question number 10. The terms cistron, muton, and racon were coined by Benzer. Question number 11. What is common point of similarity between DNA and RNA? Both are polymers of nucleotide. Question number 12. Genes concerned with the production of cancer is called oncogene. Question number 13. Which of the subclasses of antibodies are found in blood serum and secretions? IgA1, IgA2. Question number 14. Interferons inhibit virus replication by infected cells. Question number 15. Most antibodies are synthesized by peripheral lymphoid organs. Question number 16. The embryonic stage in the frog in which differentiation of mesoderm takes place is called as gastrula. Question number 17. The chief component of exine of a mature pollen grain is sporopollenin. Question number 18. A mesolecithal egg undergoes holoblastic cleavage is represented in amphibians. Question number 19. Temperature dependent sex determination TSD is frequently observed in one of the following chordates: crocodilians. Question number 20. Which one of the plant hormone is known as stress hormone? Abscisic acid. Question number 21. Function of water in the photosynthesis is to supply electrons in the light dependent reactions. Question number 22. Which one of the following is wrongly paired? Option A. Manganese is not the structural component of chlorophyll. Instead of manganese, it should be magnesium. All other options are correct. So for this question, the correct answer is A. Question number 23. The water in the xylem vessels moves towards the top of a tree as a result of evaporation of water through stomata. Question number 24. The digestion of fat in chordates is facilitated by the presence of bile salts. Question number 25. The sinus venosus in mammalian heart is fused with right atrium. Question number 26. The goiter is linked to thyroid gland. Question number 27. One of the following animals possess nerve net for coordination. Jellyfish. Question number 28. Bacterial process in which genetic material is carried by some external agency is called transduction. Question number 29. Cytoplasmic inheritance through kappa particles is observed in paramecium. Question number 30. In Drosophila melanogaster, sex is determined by X upon A ratio. Question number 31. The genetic defect thalassemia results from partial or total absence of one or more alpha and beta chains of hemoglobin. Question number 32. Plant viruses mostly are named from the disease morphology they produce. Question number 33. A species facing an extremely high risk of extinction in the immediate future is called endangered. Question number 34. Which one of the following is mismatched? Here the option C is mismatched. Question number 35. Which one of the following statement is not correct? So here, if we see statement D, gymnosperms are homosporous, it is not correct. All other options have correct statements. Question number 36. The phylogenetic system of classification of plants refers to their grouping based on the evolutionary affinities. Question number 37. Diatoms do not readily decay like most other algae because they have cell walls made of silica. Question number 38. Ramsar Convention on Wetlands was adopted in 1971. Question number 39. When a forest is destroyed by fire and again occupied by herbs in the initial stage is an example of secondary succession. Question number 40. Quantities of mineral nutrients in the soil of tropical rainforests are relatively low because decomposition of organic matter and reassimilation of chemicals by plants occurs rapidly. Question number 41. Halophytes such as mangroves meet high osmotic pressure in the soil. They overcome the problem of water uptake by accumulation of electrolytes in the vacuoles. Question number 42. The population genetics shows how genetic variation is retained in Mendelian inheritance. It was proposed by Hardy Weinberg.
The catalogue of behavior of animals is called as ethogram. Question number 44. Which one of the following determines the branching pattern of evolution? Cladistics. Question number 45. Geologically, one of the following eras is known as Age of Mammals. The answer is Cenozoic. Question number 46. Somaclonal variations in crops can be generated with the help of tissue culture. Question number 47. Bt gene coding Bt toxins derived from Bacillus thuringiensis is used for plants to protect from insects. Question number 48. Which one of the following is a potential petrocrop? It is Jatropha curcus. Question number 49. Triticale, the hybrid wheat, is allelotetraploid. Last question, question number 50. Rapid analysis of thousands of genes can be done by DNA microarray. And that's all in today's video.